In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the leak on this backflow pressure relief valve that's leaking. You can see it's leaking pretty good right here. I'm going to use this kit that I sourced online. A link to this product is above and also in the description. I'm going to go step by step on how to replace the spring valve inside and the various O-rings. So without further ado, let's get after it. The first thing I'm going to do is isolate the backflow valve by shutting off the water, turning this valve and this valve. So now the valve is isolated. You can see the leak stopped. I'm going to use a socket here. This one takes 11 millimeters, and I'm going to remove the bolts that are on here. And now I'm going to pull out this backflow spring relief valve, and you can see that it's pretty corroded here. Probably what's leaking. And then if you reach in here, you might need to use a screwdriver. Just be careful and pull out this plastic piece. You can see there's a plastic piece that this valve seats against. It seats inside there. It's getting kind of corroded, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that with my new piece. Here's my new pressure relief valve. You want to take the O-ring and slide it on the new pressure relief valve, and then take the plastic seat piece, and you'll want to put the smaller, thinner O-ring on here like that. Now you can see that that O-ring is seated on there. I have this in there, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and install the seat into the black backflow housing, and then I can go ahead and put in the new pressure relief valve. It should sit about like that. It stays in place. I'm going to use my new gasket. I'm going to go ahead and install the gasket like that. The wavy marks appear to go inboard, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the bolts. Go ahead, snug those bolts up. Now I'm going to slowly turn on the water. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on like that. You can see it's not leaking anymore. Now I'm going to turn on the water to the main house. Slowly open that valve, and we're good to go. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.